soil map data with me. I'll show you how does it look like. Although I mean most of you guys are already very well aware of the different type of vector and raster data set. Okay, now you can see this Sentinel-2 land use land cover. Here are the 9 classes, right? Starting from the water, trees. Once you lead the cursor to their class name, it will explain what does mean by water here, right? The trees, flooded vegetation, crops, built area. This is the built area means the constructed area, the bare ground, snow and ice, clouds. Okay, as it's remotely sensed data, that's why the clouds are taken or considered as one of the land cover type. But initially, as far as the understanding of the geographers and different field experts is concerned, clouds are not considered as the land cover type. Uh, Fine. Okay. You can see along with these classes at the right bottom part of this web page, you can see the fraction of particular type of the land is mentioned here in terms of percentage. As you scroll in or scroll out, zoom in or zoom out to any part of the land world, right? If I go to any location, we have participants around from various countries. But right now, just to wind it up quickly, I would just go to the area I'm much familiar with is my country, that's Pakistan, Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Fine. Okay. The internet connectivity is a bit slower. That's why. Here we go. Fine. So how you can download this land use land cover data for any location? It has tiles as far as the classification is based on the UTM zones. Let me show you. Just click this download geotiff uh, download button. Once you click this one, okay, okay. Look at it will show you the whole global scale data in the form of tiles that you can download by clicking, and it has a temporal mm, element as well that there is the data is available right from 2002 2024 for around 8 years, right? Okay. Uh, Once the tiles are properly highlighted, just look at this. As Pakistan lies between three UTM zones, this is 41, this zone is 42, and this is 43 zone, right? So the labeling is as per the UTM zone map, fine? As Pakistan lies within the northern hemisphere, but the labeling is with respect to QRS. So this region, which is showing Islamabad here, if I click on this tile, just right click or left click, yeah, left click, I think so. Yes, it will select the respective tile and will ask you to select the particular year you are willing to download this land use land cover data for. If I select, I mean, any one of them, just like 2019, just click this here and it will start downloading. Like, uh, just go to this button and pause this downloading And look at this. This is actually the 43S zone, right? 43S. It is as per the labeling, but Pakistan lies within the region of northern hemisphere. Fine. When we have to select the UTM zone, it will be 43N. When we have to check for